Some guns you can walk into any store and buy today. These 10 you cannot. Not because they are banned, not because they are illegal, but because demand so dramatically overwhelms supply that most gun owners spend years on waiting lists, pay double retail on secondary markets, or simply never get one at all. These are the 10 guns everyone wants but few can actually get, and number 1 is protected by a 40-year-old federal law that nobody can change. Before we get into the list, hit subscribe right now, because if you are even thinking about owning any of these guns, this is the one video your dealer will never show you. Skip it, and you will find out about the waitlist the hard way. Your call. Let us start with number 10. Number 10. HK MP5 Civilian Semi-Auto. The MP5 is the most iconic submachine gun ever built, carried by British SAS, German GSG-9, American SEAL teams, and counterterrorism units across every major operation since the 1970s. Every shooter wants one. Almost nobody can actually get one. HK produces a civilian semi-automatic version, but import allocations to the United States are severely limited by production priorities. When civilian MP5s arrive at dealers, they sell within hours, never days, never weeks. Hours, the phones start ringing the moment a shipment is confirmed, and the guns are frequently spoken for before they physically arrive. The secondary market tells the real story. A civilian MP5 that retailed at $1,500 regularly reaches $3,000 to $4,500 on secondary markets because the people who missed the allocation window have no other choice. That price premium is the most honest measure of demand available. 9mm, 30-round magazine. 8.86-inch barrel, 5.63 pounds unloaded. Roller delayed blowback operation, the same mechanism that made the original MP5 legendary for its smooth cycling and exceptional accuracy at submachine gun ranges. HK's German manufacturing facility prioritizes military and law enforcement contracts first. Civilian production is whatever capacity remains, which in 2026 is almost nothing. At $1,500 MSRP, almost nobody pays, because the gun is never on the shelf at MSRP. This is the most iconic 9mm carbine alive, and one of the hardest to find. But number 9 is a legendary American revolver that Colt brought back from the dead and immediately created a waitlist stretching years. Number 9. Colt Python 2020 reissue. Colt discontinued the Python in 1999 after 44 years of continuous production. For 2 decades, collectors mourned it. When Colt reintroduced it in 2020, the firearms world lost its mind, and the waitlists at every dealer in America stretched to 12 months within weeks of the announcement. In 2026, demand still dramatically exceeds supply. Dealers receive small allocations, sometimes 3 units, sometimes 5, and they are gone before most customers even know they arrived. Colt's Hartford, Connecticut facility simply cannot produce Pythons fast enough to satisfy the pent-up demand from 2 decades of absence. The new Python is not a cheap replication. It uses modern CNC manufacturing combined with hand-fitting on critical components, maintaining the Python's legendary double-action trigger quality while improving dimensional consistency over original production. The trigger on a current Python is among the finest double-action pulls available from any production revolver at any price. 357 Magnum, 6-round cylinder, available in 4.25-inch and 6-inch barrel lengths. Stainless steel throughout. MSRP, $1,499. Secondary market regularly reaches $2,500 to $3,500 for standard configurations, sometimes higher for early production examples. Why everyone wants it: the most beautiful production revolver ever made with a trigger that makes experienced shooters stop talking the first time they cycle it. But number 8 is a desert-born giant that is simultaneously the most recognizable and one of the hardest to find pistols in the entire world right now. Number 8, Desert Eagle, Mark 19. The Desert Eagle is the most recognizable large-caliber pistol ever built. It has appeared in more films, video games, and cultural moments than any other handgun in history. Everyone knows what it is. Almost nobody has actually held one. EMI manufactures the Desert Eagle in Israel, with import allocations to America severely limited by production capacity and worldwide demand. When Desert Eagles arrive at American dealers, the phones start ringing immediately. The dramatic appearance combined with the mechanical uniqueness creates a demand that Israeli production simply cannot satisfy at any realistic scale. The gas-operated rotating bolt system is the most mechanically unique pistol action ever successfully mass-produced. Every other successful semi-automatic pistol uses a tilting or rotating barrel. The Desert Eagle uses a gas port in the barrel to drive a rotating bolt, the same operating principle as a rifle. That engineering achievement is what makes it genuinely special beyond the appearance. Available in .50 AE, .44 Magnum, and .357 Magnum. MSRP $1,799. Secondary market regularly reaches $2,500 to $3,000 for standard configurations. Titanium, gold, and chrome finishes push secondary market prices significantly higher. Production delays and limited import allocations mean dealers frequently wait months between shipments. When one arrives, it is gone the same day. But number 7 is a battle rifle so respected by serious shooters that it sells out within 24 hours of dealer arrival every single time without exception. Number 7, FN SCAR 17S. The FN SCAR 17S is the civilian semi-automatic version of the Special Operations Forces Combat Assault Rifle, the platform U.S. Army Rangers and Special Forces carried into combat across the most demanding operations of the last 2 decades. When a dealer receives SCAR 17S inventory, it is typically gone within 24 hours, frequently pre-sold before it physically arrives. FN prioritizes military and law enforcement contracts completely. Civilian SCAR 17S production is whatever manufacturing capacity remains after every government order is filled, which in 2026 is a fraction of civilian demand. The result is a chronic shortage that has existed since civilian introduction and shows zero signs of improving. 7.62 by 51 NATO, 20-round magazine, 16.25-inch barrel, fully ambidextrous control standard, folding and adjustable stock, free-floating barrel for exceptional accuracy. The reciprocating charging handle is positioned for natural reach regardless of shooting position. Every control on the SCAR 17S was designed specifically for operators using the rifle under combat conditions. MSRP $3,999. Secondary market regularly reaches $4,500 to $5,500 because the wait lists stretch months and buyers who need one now pay the premium without negotiating. Hit subscribe right now. The top 6 on this list are the guns that serious collectors spend years trying to obtain, and some never do. But number 6 is so exclusive that its primary customers are government snipers. Civilian allocation is almost zero. Number 6, Accuracy International, AXMC. Accuracy International builds the most respected precision sniper rifle system in the world. British SAS, U.S. Special Forces, NATO sniper teams. Every major military that takes precision shooting seriously either uses AI or benchmarks against it. The AXMC is their most capable platform, and civilian allocation in America is almost zero. The AXMC is a multi-caliber precision rifle system. Swap between .308 Winchester, .300 Winchester Magnum, and .338 Lapua Magnum, with barrel and bolt head changes that take minutes. One chassis covers 3 completely different operational roles, from 800-meter precision work in .308 to 2,000-meter engagement capability in .338 Lapua. AI's British manufacturing facility is dedicated almost entirely to government contracts. Civilian orders exist in a separate queue that moves at whatever pace government production allows, which is slow. Most civilian AXMC examples in American hands came through special order, with 12 to 24-month waits at dealers who could even place the order. Sub-half MOA accuracy guaranteed across all calibers at 100 yards. That guarantee is not marketing it, is a documented specification AI has maintained across decades of production and combat use. Price $8,000 to $12,000 before optics. Finding one in a dealer showroom in 2026 without a prior special order is genuinely rare. But number 5 brings Swiss watchmaking precision to a pistol that most Americans have never seen inside any gun store in their entire lives. Number 5. Sig Sauer P210. The Swiss Army carried the P210 as their official service pistol for decades. And during that service, it earned a reputation as the most mechanically precise production pistol ever manufactured. The engineering reason is unique in the entire pistol market. Every other pistol has the slide riding on the outside of the frame rails. The P210 reverses this completely. The frame rails ride inside the slide. That single engineering decision produces tolerances so tight and a lockup so consistent that the accuracy achieved is genuinely extraordinary for a production pistol. Sub-MOA groups at 50 meters are documented across multiple independent evaluations, a standard no other production pistol consistently achieves at any price. SIG produces the P210 in extremely limited numbers at their Swiss facility. The American civilian market receives whatever allocation remains after European civilian and law enforcement demand is satisfied, which in 2026 is minimal. Finding one at MSRP requires either extraordinary timing or dealer relationships most buyers simply do not have. MSRP $1,299 to $1,499. Single action trigger, 8-round magazine, 4.9-inch barrel. Weight 37 ounces heavier than modern polymer pistols, but that mass contributes directly to the extraordinary accuracy. Would you wait months and pay above MSRP for the most mechanically precise production pistol ever made? Drop your answer in the comments. But number 4 is not imported at all. It is built one at a time by hand in Arkansas. Number 4. Nighthawk Custom, 1911. Nighthawk Custom builds 1911 pistols the way Swiss watchmakers build watches. One gunsmith, one pistol, start to finish. Every component hand-fitted to tolerances that production machinery cannot achieve regardless of how sophisticated the equipment is. No assembly line, no rotating workers. One craftsman completes one pistol entirely before starting the next. The wait time for a new Nighthawk Custom 1911 is 12 to 18 months minimum depending on configuration and current order volume. That wait exists because genuine handcraft production at this quality level cannot be rushed without compromising the result, and Nighthawk does not compromise. The trigger on a Nighthawk Custom is described by experienced shooters consistently as the closest thing to a perfect single-action trigger available outside of dedicated competition guns costing 3 times as much. The barrel-to-slide fit is so precise that function testing involves checking that the tolerances have not been tightened beyond reliable cycling. That level of fit is genuinely extraordinary. Price $3,500 to $8,000 depending on model and customization level. Every dollar of that price is justified by the craftsmanship inside. At 12 to 18 months of waiting, and prices that start at $3,500, this is the most exclusive American-made pistol available in 2026. Would you wait 18 months for the perfect pistol? Drop your answer in the comments right now. But number 3 is an American icon that Colt still makes today in numbers so limited that most dealers never have one on the shelf. Number 3, Colt Single Action Army, the gun that won the West. The Peacemaker, the most historically significant American revolver ever produced, and Colt still manufactures it in 2026 in numbers so limited that most dealers go entire years without a single unit in their display case. Colt has produced the single-action army continuously since 1873, over 150 years, with the same fundamental action unchanged. The 3-click sequence when cocking the hammer safety notch, half cock, full cock, is the same mechanical sequence that cavalry soldiers heard in 1873. That continuity of design across 15 decades is without parallel in American firearms history. Current production Colt SAW MSRP ranges from $1,799 to $1,999, depending on barrel length and finish. Secondary market regularly reaches $2,500 to $3,500. Because the people who cannot wait for dealer allocation have no alternative. Available in .45 Colt, .357 Magnum, and .4440. Barrel options in 4.75, 5.5, and 7.5-inch lengths. Colt's Hartford, Connecticut facility cannot meet demand for a handcrafted revolver using methods essentially unchanged since the 19th century. When an allocation arrives at a distributor, the guns are typically already spoken for by dealers who have customers waiting. Finding a current production Colt SAW at MSRP in 2026 requires either extraordinary timing or a dealer relationship built over years. But number 2 is a custom pistol so refined that Wilson Combat maintains a dedicated waiting list that never gets shorter no matter how long the shop operates. Number 2, Wilson Combat Beretta 92G. Wilson Combat takes the already excellent Beretta 92 platform and transforms it into something that serious pistol shooters describe as the finest DA-SA combat pistol ever built. The 92G configuration uses a decocker-only system, no manual safety lever. The hammer decocks automatically after each shot, producing a faster, more consistent manual of arms under stress. What Wilson Combat does to get there is not a part swap. It is a complete action job performed by skilled gunsmiths, trigger group fitting, barrel throat and chamber polishing, reliability package, carry bevel treatment, and a custom shop trigger job that produces a double action pull so smooth it surprises every shooter who experiences it for the first time. Wait time 6 to 12 months minimum. Wilson Combat's custom shop processes orders in strict sequence and does not rush the work regardless of how long the list grows. Price $1,800 to $2,400, depending on configuration and finish options. The result is a double-action single-action pistol with a double-action pull that experienced shooters compare favorably to dedicated target pistols and a single-action break that makes the Beretta 92's already good trigger seem like a different mechanism entirely. Finding a Wilson Combat Beretta 92G in a dealer's showroom in 2026 without a prior order is essentially impossible. But number one is not hard to get because of production limits or import restrictions. It is hard to get because of a 40-year-old federal law that permanently froze the supply forever. Number one, pre-1986 transferable machine guns. And here it is. Number one. Not a specific model, an entire category that federal law made permanently and irrevocably scarce on a single day in 1986, and nothing will ever change that. On May 19, 1986, the Hughes Amendment to the Firearm Owners Protection Act became law. From that moment, no new machine guns could be added to the civilian transferable registry. Ever, the supply was permanently frozen at whatever existed on that date, and it has been shrinking every year since as registered machine guns are lost, destroyed, or tied up in estate complications. The math is simple and brutal. Fixed supply, growing demand, prices that only move in one direction. A registered M16 that cost $500 in 1986 now sells for $12,000 to $18,000. A registered MP5 costs $35 to $50,000. A registered M60 machine gun costs $50,000 to $80,000. Every year, those prices climb further because the supply never grows and the collector base never shrinks. This is not a production limitation that might be resolved. This is not an import restriction that policy could lift. This is a 40-year-old federal law with zero realistic chance of repeal that has created the most perfectly supply-constrained collector market in American firearms history. Everyone who understands this market wants in. Almost nobody can afford entry anymore, and the window gets smaller every single year. Is a pre-1986 transferable machine gun the greatest firearms investment available to American civilians right now? Drop your answer in the comments. That debate starts today. And there you have it. 10 guns everyone wants but few can actually get in 2026. From the HK MP5 that sells out within hours to the pre-1986 machine gun protected by a federal law, nobody can change every gun on this list proves one thing. Scarcity in the firearms world only gets worse over time. If you can get your hands on any of these, do not hesitate. The window only gets smaller every year. Hit subscribe. Our last video was about 5 budget guns that performed better than Glock. And our next video covers the 7 pistols under $300 that shoot better than guns costing 3x more. Stay safe. Stay ready.